guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I have for you a Beautylish Lucky Bag. And these go on sale every year, December 26th at the Beautylish website. And around Christmas time, a little bit before, I decided that my big purchase for myself was going to be the Beautylish Lucky Bag XL. And that's the one where everyone hopes to get big, gigantic Natasha Denona palettes or other fancy stuff like Charlotte Tilbury or Japanese handmade brushes like Weymouth brushes or some of the other ones. And it's sold out. So I went onto the site and you know how it goes. I said, I put it in my cart, it disappeared from my cart, but I didn't get the XL. But that day, they were selling two Beautylish Lucky Bags, the regular size and the XL that I just told you about. And they were also selling one that is Beautylish Jeffree Star, since they are an authorized retailer of Jeffree Star products. I didn't buy it on December 26th, okay, because I didn't want it. And then I think I was wallowing in sorrow, and then at a very weak moment I got an email on January 4th from Nils at Beautylish, and that Nils, he always gets me. So I opened it and it said, there are still Jeffree Star Lucky Bags left. And I bought one. And a few days later I said, that's stupid. Why did I buy that? Because you know, you might just get green lipsticks and black highlighters. And I knew that going in. So I've had this for a few days. I kind of didn't even want to open it on camera, but I paid for it. It was $75. They charge you shipping. So we're just gonna open this. And I'm gonna try hard to look happy. Right? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? So you're guaranteed a palette. I realized a couple of days later, like, oh, that's right, they didn't ask me for my size. So I knew I wasn't going to get a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. Again, I wasn't planning on buying this box. But we're guaranteed a palette. And here's a funny thing, in case you've watched other unboxings for the Jeffree Star Beautylish. They're different. They are not all the same. There are different palettes going around in these. There are different other items thrown in here. They are all different. So we have the really pretty crane paper that everyone's showing on YouTube, and a card that says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. We hope you're surprised inside. Make your 2020 a little more lucky. So I'm just going to show you guys, because you know when I open this, I'm going to see the palette, right? And Jeffree just said that he is discontinuing the Thirsty palette. That's one that I was interested in. I'm also interested in Jawbreaker. I have Jawbreaker Mini. I do have Blood Red. So let's just let's just see what happens. Oh! Whoa! This is epic. This is epic. This is epic. Conspiracy palette. I watched several openings in the past few days. And I saw the Blue Blood, which I wouldn't have liked, because I don't like blue eyeshadow. The red, the blood sugar, already have it. I only saw one person get Conspiracy. So, I guess this was lucky. But here's the downside. I already have Conspiracy palette too. But still, I feel lucky that I got Conspiracy palette, even though I have it already. Oh my god, I'm lucky again, you guys. Oh, see? I was like dissing this box in my head for 3 days. I got Liquid Frost, and you know how sometimes you can get it in green and black and crazy colors? Mine is an Ice Queen, which is like a pinky color, which is perfect for ghostly people like me. So I've never tried Liquid Frost. I do have his Platinum Ice highlighter palette that I really like. It's good for fair skin people. So let's get this guy out of the box. Oh, it is so pretty. So, oh my god, this is so pretty. It is such a pale, pretty pink. It couldn't have been better than if I picked it out myself. So pretty. I will definitely be keeping this. How do you open it? Okay, so it has a squishy thing. And you, oh yeah, this is pretty. This looks quite a bit like the Benefit High Beam, you know, the pink shimmery highlighter. And this is very creamy, and I just put way too much on my hand. So perfect for pale people, but very pretty. Can we see that? Wow, and it does look pinky, and you could sheer it out even more, and it does have a little bit of a lilac look, but mostly pink. That's so pretty. So it's going well. It's going okay. There's several items. Sorry for the sound of the plastic. Conspiracy palette. Isn't that crazy that he would put something like brand new in the mystery bag? I would never have expected this. I mean, I thought Jawbreaker would be kind of too new to be in a mystery bag, but yet there it is. And I still haven't seen Jawbreaker appear in any mystery bags, so watch the other videos of people opening these because they are all a little bit different. Da da da! Conspiracy palette. Star of the famous documentary by Shane. Broke the internet. Very cool, very cool. And I do already have it, so anyways, that's exciting. And it's already interesting because even though I'll like have to gift this or sell it or something, already I do have a highlighter that is really cool. Okay, so here's the Skin Frost. I'm going to block the shade. What color do we think this is? Wasn't there a black one? Did Porcelain get a black one like last year or something? Let's find out. Siberian Gold. Okay, so I'm so pale that even like Champagne Pop is like too dark for my skin. So if this is gold, even the lightest gold usually doesn't work out for me. So, ooh, yeah, see? That's like if I had a real deep tan, which I don't tan, but very pretty. Siberian Gold. Very pretty. But again, with Jeffree Star, Lucky Bags, never know what you're gonna get. I'd rather get this than to get a purple one, because then I try to give it away and who'd want a purple highlighter. Okay, we still have a few more things. Oh, right, he was giving away some lip liners too. What is this? Yes, a Velour Lip Liner. What's the shade? Oh, Unicorn Blood. Okay, so Unicorn Blood is his deep, deep red. But these look really cool because they have a really cool top to them, right? Yeah, there it is. Very cool, and the shade is that shade. And here is Unicorn Blood. So I never, it's like a winey red. It's very, very deep. So as I'm not like a red wearer, that might get gifted away off the premises as well. But look at how cool those are. I think someone got one in like Androgyny, which is a nice shade, or I don't know. Those are cool. I might have to check one out in like a boring nudie shade or something. Okay, I think I have a lip E in here. Some people got like a 3-piece lip set. That was his anniversary set with like the green one and the red one and that kind of thing. And what is this? Shake well before use. What is it? What if this is a holiday one? Velour liquid lipstick in, oh, it's in chrysanthemum. It's in chrysanthemum. I did see other people get this, and it's really pretty. It's like one of those really kind of, you know, wearable, as we say, but boring-y. Look, just a boring-y nudie pink. I love that. Ooh, chrysanthemum. So I will wear chrysanthemum. And then we do have another item in here. And that is the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set. They're metal and they have a little cleaner wandy thing that comes with them. And they're cute. They're blue. They kind of match the Blue Blood palette. Be iconic and classy with these Jeffree Star approved custom blue stainless steel straws. So, the Lucky Bag. So this is really interesting, and I gotta tell you, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna get a green lipstick and, you know, a navy blue highlighter, but it's not too bad. So we have the straws, we have the Skin Frost that is in, what is that again? So, oh, Siberian Gold. Siberian Gold. So it won't be good for me, but I'm sure I could give that to someone. They'd be really happy with it. A velour lipstick in chrysanthemum. I don't know. Were these red caps? Was this his Christmas collection? Not too sure about that. And then we have my first ever Skin Frost, and this one is in Ice Queen. So pretty. And the lip liner, and then the Big Daddy Conspiracy palette. So interesting. If you're interested in Beautylish mystery boxes, again, mystery bags, they only go on sale January 26th. But you kind of have to go to war to get that XL one. Still, there are great things in the XL box and the regular Lucky Bag. So one product that people were getting was a Good Molecules product. Good Molecules is the in-house affordable skincare brand of Beautylish. And they were getting the silicone-free priming moisturizer or the niacinamide toner. I do have this. I'm on the PR list for Good Molecules, so they've sent me a couple of packages. Thank you, Beautylish. Not sponsored. I'm wearing the priming moisturizer today. It's silicone-free. What else? It's kind of like the primerizer. It's very affordable. It does absorb a bit into the skin. It's super nice. And on my eyes, I'm wearing this one, the Too Faced Razzle Dazzle Berry palette. It is so cute, and this was one of my Marshalls finds. So at Marshalls and TJ Maxx, we have been finding like the entire Too Faced Tutti Frutti line. It has been amazing. So this one, Marshalls, $14.99. It's amazing. So check out my TJ Maxx Marshalls playlist. It has been so much fun. I've been like dropping by every day, picking up all of those little Fruit Cocktail Duo blushes that are just adorable. So thank you so much for watching my Beautylish Jeffree Star Mystery Bag 2020 unboxing. I'm going to try again next year, December 26th, to get that XL. But I think this was fun. I thought it was going to go much worse. So thanks for being here and giving me some emotional support while I opened this box, which I have thought for the past 4 weeks was a very bad financial decision, but it turned out really okay. So thanks so much. Hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.